Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing ViewWorks, a tool to capture user data and leads, plus increase video engagement by rewarding viewers for their attention. They already have 26 positive reviews on AppSumo, and the deal is pretty easy to understand. The idea here is to help you to get viewers. How? You're gonna add a perk on your video. So the person will receive a reward if they view your video, and then you can give them any kind of perk and also the ViewWorks perk that they offer on their dashboard. So this is pretty cool if also you would like to have more views on YouTube or hours. If you want to monetize your video, that could be a good idea if you give perks to people to watch your video. So here the deal is pretty easy to understand. You get with one code 3 user seats, one brand set, 6 campaign and 20,000 video impressions per month. And if you buy more codes, you get more seats, campaigns, and video impressions. You can stack up to 5 codes when you get 200,000 video impressions per month. So let's take a look at the tool. You're going there. So here's ViewWorks, and here on company and billing, you can see about one code, and then it's pretty easy to learn how to use it. The first thing you're gonna do is come here on campaigns, and then you click on create campaign. So when you click on the button create campaign, you will choose the perk module type, so the kind of reward you will give to your users. So you can give a sweepstake, you can give a you can create a sweepstake, you can create a campaign to give them a coupon code, you can give them a reward link. For instance, you're gonna create a campaign where you're gonna send them an ebook if they see what at least 50% of your video. So at the end, ViewWorks will direct them to the reward link. And you can also add a form to get the emails of your customers. Okay? All those campaigns, it's possible to add a call to action, a valid reward link, and also explain your perk, your campaign, everything like that. So here I created a test campaign. Here that just ended, where I'm going to duplicate campaign. So I have a draft here. Oh, I have a draft here. Then I can edit my campaign, and you can see what I already created a campaign that I'm going to use YouTube. You can choose YouTube, Vimeo, or a CDN URL. Then you post your YouTube URL, you add your perk exclamation, watch my video and win my ebook, add terms and conditions, and add your reward link, and also the call to action to start your campaign. So it's pretty easy to create the campaign, and also you can white label, change language, so they have English, Thai, Chinese, and Arabic, and also, you know, be more specific, adding analytics, etc. So when you create the campaign, you just save the campaign. And it's done. You're gonna have a new campaign. It's written here ended because I didn't change the dates that the campaign will end, so I just copied to show you how you create a campaign. And here you can see you have analytics. You have a perk marketplace where you can buy perks. So you can buy perks on Amazon. You can buy perks on Anaconda, on App Store, so you can buy perks to give to your viewers. So it's a really good strategy to gain more viewers and hours on YouTube. Okay. You have also a CRM. When you get new emails and the name of the person who watched your video, you're going to receive everything here on their own CRMs. And you can also invite users to help you to manage the campaign. So that's ViewWorks. I hope you like it. Remember what you're gonna do with that tool. You're gonna use ViewWorks to get more viewers. So that was my review. If you like that review, please click on the button below and help me to keep going. Bye bye.